Welcome to YouTube channel of Even Business Solution. We are committed to your success. This is Sunil from Even Business Solution. Today we're going to discuss about one of the most common interview questions. Tell me about yourself. This is also known as self-introduction question, and this is very challenging for both a fresher and also professional too. This question asks to set the tone for interview, so that it gives an opportunity for candidate to open up and set a direction for the interview. Secondly, it's very important for the candidate to talk about beyond what he's updated in his resume. Let's see the approaches for a fresher and a professional. In case you are a fresher, then what you need to do is you need to talk about your graduation. You need to talk about why you selected a particular subject, whether it's a computer science, electronics, what are the stream you have selected, what interested you to take up the subject, and a little bit about your family background, and also talk about your hobbies. That's very important, so that how you are done well in your extracurricular activities. Then you also need to talk about your career plan. That's very important. What's your career aspiration? What's your short-term goal and long-term goal in your career you kept for yourself for next 5 years? Then you need to talk about how this particular job is going to help you to achieve your dream. That's very important, so that you can also tell about how you fit into the position for the job you applied for. Now, let's go to a professional who have 1 or 2 years experience. If you are 1 or 2 years experienced professional, then you will really talk about the professional, your role and responsibility of previous role. What's your achievement? You really need to highlight your learning and your knowledge. And also you talk about specific in terms of what you had done in this particular job and why you suited for this job in particular because of your knowledge and skill. This way you'll be able to crack the interview in very well manner. This to summarize what we spoke just now. Approach. First, you need to start with introduction, thanking interviewer for the opportunity. Next, you need to give your full name. Then you have to come talk about your education, preferably to highest degree along with the marks you scored. Then you also need to talk about extracurricular activities you participated in your college. Then you need to talk about the final year project you have taken. Then you need to talk about reason for choosing the course, because what made you to pick the particular course, whether it's a computer science or electronics. Then you need to talk about hobbies. This indicate you are a multi-talented individual. Then talk about little bit about your family background. Then talk about your career ambition, which is life aim in terms of short term and long term. Then you need to conclude why you are seeking this job. Let's go through sample answer for fresher. Hi sir, thank you for the opportunity. I am Sunil Kumar. I have completed Bachelor of Science in Computer from Bangalore University this year with first class. I completed my 12th grade from Sindhi College with CGPA of 9.2% from CBSE board. As part of my curriculum, I particularly found the subject of computer network and design of algorithms very interesting, as this subject created a passion in me to study computer related courses in much more detail. Besides my curriculum, I participated in various events pertaining to art and culture held in my college. I am also extremely passionate about playing guitar, which is a great stress buster for me. My family include my father, who is a government official, my mother is a homemaker, and my brother is a civil engineer who works for a construction company. My short-term goal is to get placed in a reputed company like yours, where I can upgrade and enhance my skill and knowledge efficiently. My long term goal is to reach a respectable position in this company because of my contribution and sharing of my knowledge and experience. I found this opportunity very exciting and would be best stepping stone to start my career. So I am here to explore this opportunity. Let's go through sample answer for candidate with work experience. Hi sir. Firstly, thank you very much for shortlisting me for this interview. I'm Sunil. I have completed Bachelor of Electronics from Bangalore University. As part of my curriculum, I particularly found electronic subject very interesting. After my graduation, I have joined V1 Business Solution as a customer care executive. I have developed good understanding of customer service and importance of customer relationship in my span of last 1 year with V1 Business Solution. I can proudly say about maintaining and establishing effective client relationship in this tenure. I have always excelled in my work and even got client appreciation for the same. Now I am interested in expanding my career graph by joining your reputed organization and looking forward for the further development of my skill. Have you observed? I have not included my extracurricular activities and hobbies in my answer. Please remember, you need to stress more on your work experience, your learning and achievements because you received this interview call because of your work experience. Don't forget to go through your roles and responsibility in your current job. Job interview tips. Dress for success. Wear a formal wear so that you can impress interviewer. Plan to arrive early. Go through Google map of your interview location so that you will be at least 15 minutes early. Don't be overly familiar with interviewer. Give firm handshake when you first meet your interviewer. Keep your mobile phone switched off or on a silent mode. Take in notes. That's very important. Always carry two set of resume. Listen to your interview question patiently. Also, don't be in a hurry to answer interview question. Have a presence of mind. You can always take couple of seconds to answer. Be honest in your answer. Maintain a good body posture and eye contact. Act interested. Know your answer to why you are here. Get your interview name right. Research about the company product, offerings, and financial. Be firm in your opinion. Sometimes interviewer will try to change your mind and test you, and interviewer will check all these things. Finally, one piece of advice. Please take input from this discussion and prepare your own write up. My humble request is to not to copy the entire content as it doesn't sound you. Thank you and all the very best. Please press subscribe button if you feel you have gained something out of this video and press bell icon next to it. Give us a thumbs up if you liked our video.